Hello, everyone. Imagine this: you're packing your bags, dreaming big, hoping to start a new life in US. Maybe you want a great job, higher studies, or even to start your own business. But behind every visa and every passport stamp, there's a real story. A story of rules, stress, surprises, and sometimes struggles that people don't even talk about. And this is Sasi from File in Media. So today let's walk through some real journeys from shocking 100,000 H1B visa rule to the silent pain of H4 spouses to student visa rejections and even the long never-ending wait for a green card. Let's start with the big one. In 2025, the Trump era policy introduced something that literally shook the whole skilled worker community. A $100,000 fee for certain H1B visa applications. Yes, $1 lakh. And now, what does that mean? It means that any company in the US wanting to hire a highly skilled foreign worker has to pay this extra amount on top of everything else. It's not exactly meant to stop immigrants completely, but it forces companies to think very hard before hiring from outside. For thousands of Indian IT workers, this suddenly made life more difficult, more scrutiny, more paperwork, and a big financial barrier that could even cancel job offers. In other words, the path for skilled workers is getting tougher and more expensive. Now let's talk about something that almost never gets spoken about. Behind many H1B workers, there is another story: the spouse on an H4 visa. Most of them are women. Most of them are highly educated, and yet many are not allowed to work. Imagine being in a new country with a degree, talent, dreams, but you're stuck at home because your work permit is delayed or restricted. You became financially dependent, you feel isolated, and your confidence slowly slips away. It's a silent emotional struggle, and it affects entire families. But hardly anyone talks about it. Now let's switch to students' F1 visa applicants. The process has become stricter than ever. And yes, the rumors are true. Visa officers can check your phone and social media to confirm your story. That means your posts, your messages, your online activity, all can be used to evaluate your credibility. So students, your digital life matters. One confusing post or inconsistency and the visa can be rejected. This is the new reality. Privacy mixed with security. And then there's the biggest heartbreak of all: the green card backlog, especially for Indian applicants. Because of old rules and per country limits, more than 1 million people are stuck waiting. Some wait years, some wait decades. This backlog leads to real pain. Families separated, kids aging out at 21 and losing eligibility, people living in constant uncertainty about the future, careers past, dreams delayed. It's like being stuck in a slow-moving maze that never ends. But immigration law isn't always harsh. It has compassionate sides too. Under Section 24, there are humanitarian relief and survivor benefits. These help families of workers who pass away or retirees who face hardships. It's a small safety net in very difficult times, and not many people even know about it. Now let's talk about a completely different route: the EB-5 investor visa. This is for people who can invest $800,000 in a US business that creates 10 jobs. It gives a faster path to a green card, which is why wealthy immigrants and families choose it. But this isn't just pay money and get visa. It comes with big financial risk, business challenges, and lots of legal requirements. It's a short path but not an easy one. One inspiring figure in this world of complicated visas is Mary Kennedy, a top immigration lawyer who fights for fairness and supports women entrepreneurs. She helps women investors, immigrant families, and people struggling through this complex system. Her work opens doors for many who feel lost. So what should students, families, and skilled workers do now? Stay informed, things change fast, rules, fees, policies. Be prepared, have your documents clear and organized, clear your digital footprint. Your online life matters. Get expert help early, Don't wait for a problem to explode. Be honest and clear. Your story is your strongest tool, and every step must be true, consistent, and well prepared. In the end, visas aren't just paper. They're human emotions, hope, fear, sacrifice, and dreams. Behind every H1B, every F1, every H4, every EB5 investor, there is a person who wants a better life. Some face fees, some face loneliness, some face rejection, and some wait decades for a chance at stability. But their journeys shape the future of immigration itself. Thank you for listening, and if you're starting your journey, I wish you strength, clarity, and success. Your story matters, and it deserves to be heard. And now I want to hear from you. What's your experience with US visas? Are you on H1B, H4, F1, or waiting for a green card? Or maybe you're planning to apply soon. Share your stories in the comments. It might help someone who's going through the same thing. For more updates, real stories, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to File in Media.